Throughout history, humanity has grappled with the question of our purpose here on Earth. Many philosophies and belief systems attempt to shed light on this fundamental query, but for those who follow religious teachings, the answer lies in God's mandate for mankind. In this article, we will delve into the divine assignment bestowed upon humanity and explore the significance of embracing our earthly duties as part of God's grand design. Divine assignment, unveiling God's mandate for mankind. From the earliest pages of religious scriptures to the teachings of spiritual leaders, the concept of God's mandate for mankind has been woven into the fabric of human history. This divine assignment encompasses a range of responsibilities, including stewardship of the earth, compassion towards fellow beings, and the pursuit of righteousness. In essence, it is a call to fulfill our purpose by living in harmony with God's will and contributing to the betterment of the world. One integral aspect of God's mandate is the stewardship of the earth. As caretakers of this planet, we are entrusted with the task of preserving its natural resources and protecting its delicate ecosystems. This responsibility extends to sustainable practices, responsible consumption, and addressing the environmental challenges we face today. By recognizing our duty to care for the earth, we can actively contribute to its preservation for future generations. Embracing earthly duties, understanding God's call for humanity. Another crucial facet of God's mandate for mankind is the duty to show compassion and kindness towards our fellow beings. This encompasses not only our immediate family and friends, but extends to all of humanity. By embracing this responsibility, we can foster a sense of unity, empathy, and understanding, ultimately working towards creating a more harmonious society. This call for empathy and compassion is echoed in the teachings of various religious traditions, emphasizing the importance of treating others with respect and dignity. Additionally, the pursuit of righteousness lies at the core of God's mandate for mankind. This involves living a life guided by moral and ethical principles, seeking justice, and striving for personal growth. By embodying these values, we can contribute to the betterment of society, inspiring others to follow a righteous path and creating a more just and equitable world. Embracing our divine assignment. Understanding and embracing God's mandate for mankind is a transformative journey that requires introspection, compassion, and a deep sense of purpose. By recognizing our stewardship of the earth, practicing empathy towards others, and pursuing righteousness, we can actively contribute to a world that aligns with God's will. As we navigate the complexities of life, let us remember our earthly duties and strive to fulfill our divine assignment, leaving a positive legacy for future generations. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.